Welcome to this video tutorial on Ethereum and smart contracts. If you've ever wondered what Ethereum is and how smart contracts can revolutionize the world we live in, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll cover the fundamentals, guide you through code examples, and help you set up your first smart contract. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what Ethereum is. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications, also known as dApps. Unlike traditional applications that run on centralized servers, dApps leverage the power of blockchain for transparency and security. To understand Ethereum better, we must distinguish it from Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is primarily a cryptocurrency, Ethereum is a platform that extends beyond just payments. It allows for smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Now, let's talk about what a smart contract represents. A smart contract is a digital agreement that is coded in a programming language called Solidity. When certain predetermined conditions are met, the contract self-executes, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Before we jump into coding, let's ensure that we have everything set up correctly. You will need to install Node.js, NPM, and Truffle, which is a popular development framework for Ethereum. Here's how to do that. First, go to the Node.js website and download the latest version suitable for your operating system. After installation, open your terminal and check the versions of Node.js and NPM by using the following commands. Next, let's install Truffle globally. Type the following command in your terminal. This will allow you to create and manage your Ethereum smart contracts effortlessly. Now that we have Truffle installed, let's set up a new Truffle project. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it using your terminal. You can use the following commands. After initializing, you should see a basic folder structure created by Truffle. It typically includes directories like contracts, migrations, and test. Within the contracts folder, we will write our smart contract code. Let's create our first smart contract. Open the contracts directory and create a new file named greeting.sol. This will be a simple contract that allows users to set and get a greeting message. Below is the Solidity code for our greeting contract. Let's break down the contract. The first line specifies the version of Solidity we're using. Inside the contract, we declare a private string variable to hold the greeting message. We then have a constructor to initialize this greeting when the contract is first deployed. Next, the setGreeting function updates the greeting message, and to retrieve the message, we have the getGreeting function. Both functions are public, meaning they can be accessed externally. This is the essence of smart contracts, functions that can be invoked based on user actions. Now, we need to compile our contract. Start by opening your terminal and navigating to your project folder if you're not already there. Run the following command to compile the greeting.sol file. Assuming there are no errors in the code, the compiled artifacts will be created in the build/contracts directory. Compiling is a crucial step in developing smart contracts as it translates our Solidity code into bytecode that the Ethereum virtual machine can execute. To deploy our contract on a local network, we'll need to set up a development blockchain. Truffle offers a built-in blockchain simulator called Ganache. You can download Ganache from the Truffle website and install it. Once installed, open Ganache, and you should see a user-friendly interface displaying your accounts and balances. In order to deploy our contract to this Ganache blockchain, we need to create a migration script. Go to the migrations directory and create a new file named to_deploy_greeting.js. Then, write the following code to deploy the greeting contract. In this migration file, we import our greeting contract and tell the deployer to deploy it with an initial greeting message. Now it's time to run the migration and deploy our contract to the Ganache blockchain. After running the migration command, you should see something like starting migration, followed by the details of the deployed contract. This is a significant moment, as you just have deployed your first smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, let's interact with our smart contract. You can do this in the Truffle console. Open the console using the following command. Inside the Truffle console, let's create an instance of our greeting contract and call the getGreeting function to see the initial message. You should see "Hello Ethereum" as the output. Next, let's change the greeting message by calling the setGreeting function. We can pass a new message like this. After calling setGreeting, we need to call getGreeting again to see the new message. Let's do that now. You should see "Welcome to the blockchain" as the new output. Congratulations! You've successfully interacted with your smart contract. This is a basic interaction, but you can see how powerful smart contracts can be. As we wrap up our introduction to Ethereum and smart contracts, let's recap what we learned today. We explored the fundamentals of Ethereum as a platform for decentralized applications and how smart contracts operate on that platform. We set up a Truffle project, wrote our first smart contract in Solidity, compiled it, deployed it on a local blockchain, and finally interacted with it. This hands-on experience is crucial for understanding how smart contracts function in the Ethereum ecosystem. There's so much more to explore, including Ethereum's intricacies, advanced contract features, and real-world use cases. So make sure to keep learning and experimenting on your own. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more blockchain content, and leave your questions and comments below. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.